Okay, quick video on a Talaria or Sur-Ron brake lever. So it's pretty simple. You got a master cylinder or a piston that basically pushes oil into the line. You got some little holes at the bottom. This is where the actual the piston takes the oil and pushes it inside. You can see the piston moving at the bottom. Then you got like some kind of a expansion tank slash seal. So all the oil is in the tank right here, not over this seal. So when you fill the tank, you can see there's a hole here. So the oil goes in between the seal and the tank, not over. That's a misconception. You cannot like just remove the cap and put oil in there. It won't be good. So, and you also have a tiny little hole here. This hole is just in case you get some fluid over the expansion seal or the expansion tank. It needs to come out. So basically, when you got this tightened there, normally you should not have any oil over the seal. And your fill port is right there. So when you do your bleed, make sure to wipe off any excess. If some oil finds its way, I'm gonna take something here, in between the cap and the bleed port, maybe it will come into here, and that's the reason you got your hole here, so it can escape. So hope that helps.